Plan-funded feature. Are you seeking a new form of income for your business? Well, procurement rules are the key to using government contracts to fund your business. And know this, certain contracts require insurance coverage or performance bonds to mitigate government risk. It is important that businesses understand the common requirements when they apply, how businesses can prepare without paying too much for insurance or incurring unnecessary costs. As an example, our client, Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, tried to self-insure. This confusion led to overpaying. Professional advice on insurance aligned coverage with contract requirements. No more, no less.